In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off the Steam notifications from the achievements. So let's just get straight into it. Now, first step is you're gonna need to go onto Steam. And I can see I have a game running here. I'll just quickly exit out of this. Then what you're gonna do is you'll go to Steam right here, go to settings. Now from in here, what you need to do is you need to press on the in-game right here. From in here, what you can do is find the enable the Steam overlay while in game. You're gonna click on this to disable it, and now you will no longer get the achievement notifications. If you turn it back on again, you will get it. So it's basically that simple, guys. You just disable this one and you will no longer get them. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.